Today's video, I'm going to show you how to use a lovely tiger baguette and turn it into a delicious meal. What I'm going to do here, just going to go ahead. I'm going to take some of the middle out. This is personal preference, but this is how I like it. Just go ahead, remove the middle. Okay, so that's what it looked like. Yeah, so that's exactly how I want it. Okay. Next step, we're going to get some fillings. I'm going to use some shallots. If you don't have shallots, you can use onion. This is all personal preference. So I'm using about 1.5 shallots. Go ahead, julienne it. Using a bit of green bell pepper or sweet pepper, whatever you want to call it. A bit of red, just to give it that that color. I'm gonna use a fresh sweet corn. Just go ahead and take the grains off. The next step, I have some jerk chicken left over. So we're just gonna check, make sure we remove the bones off this. So just go ahead and chop these up. But this is what you can do with your leftovers. So you don't have to chop them up fancy, just however you like it. Please go ahead and do so. So I'll need a bit of cheese to go with this. So I'm using extra mature cheese, which I get from Little Supermarket. So what I'm gonna do, just grate this. So that should be enough. So over here I have a pan on. It's a bit warm now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna saute off the vegetables then. I'm just gonna add them straight to the pan. Cook them off a bit. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna add a bit of all-purpose season for this. Just go ahead, season your vegetables. While this is sauteing off, I'm just going to add jerk chicken to it. So this is ready now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn the gas off and then we'll go to the next process. So we're going to get our bread. We're going to put a bit of butter inside here. And the other piece that left off, we're just going to flatten it out a bit. You know, just flatten it out a bit with your rolling pin. Okay, and we're going to start with this one because we're going to fill this. First, we're going to get some cheese and lay it down in the middle here. We're going to get the next middle piece. You know, just put a bit of butter over it. You don't have to put much on it. Bit of cheese on it also. So next, our filling. We're gonna get our filling, which we have here. We're gonna make sure put some in the middle here. Let's try to put as much you want in this. The rest we're gonna just top some on this also. Whatever can hold on it, just go ahead. Because we're gonna make this lovely, you know. We're gonna make this so delicious. Right. So next we're gonna get our cheese. We're gonna put another layer of cheese over this. Same with this. Let's go over this with some cheese on them. So what we're gonna do now, get your baking tray. You're gonna put this on it. And you're gonna put it straight in the oven. Stay tuned. So I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit more all-purpose over this. With our baguette. Gonna chop some fresh coriander just to sprinkle over it. Now our baguette is ready. Just coming out the oven. That's what it looks like. So we're gonna cut into it now. Look at that. Wow. Then we're just gonna go over with a bit of fresh coriander over this. Look at that. Look how lovely this is. Look at that.